I tried the Treasure Rush app, and here's the honest truth. It promises easy rewards and fast earnings just for playing. But is Treasure Rush actually legit? Or is it another app that wastes your time? Treasure Rush is promoted as a mobile reward and game based app where users can earn money, gift cards, or points by completing tasks, playing games, or progressing through levels. The app markets itself as simple, fun, and beginner friendly, with payouts that supposedly increase the more you play. It's clearly aimed at users looking for casual income or entertainment with rewards. When looking into how Treasure Rush works, the first thing that stands out is that the rewards feel generous at the start. Early progress is fast, and the app encourages continued play by showing high reward numbers early on. However, as you advance, progress noticeably slows down. Tasks take longer, reward thresholds increase, and payouts become harder to reach. This pattern is common in many reward based apps and creates the illusion of easy earnings early on. The app itself is functional and simple to use. Navigation is straightforward, and there's no technical difficulty in completing tasks or playing. That said, the earning potential depends heavily on time spent, and realistic expectations are important. This is not passive income, and it doesn't replace real work. Treasure Rush can be entertaining if you enjoy casual games. The app is easy to understand, doesn't require special skills, and works as advertised in terms of gameplay. Some users report receiving small rewards, especially at lower payout levels, which suggests the app is not outright fake. One concern is the lack of transparency around payout timelines and reward scaling. As rewards increase, progress slows significantly, which can frustrate users. There are also mixed user reviews online, with some claiming payouts are delayed or harder to redeem at higher amounts. Additionally, the app relies heavily on ads, which can interrupt gameplay and slow overall progress. Treasure Rush is easy to use and can be fun for casual play, but earning meaningful rewards takes a lot of time. Early rewards feel motivating, while later stages require much more effort for smaller gains. Treasure Rush is not an outright scam, but it is also not a reliable money-making app. It works best as a casual game with small rewards rather than a serious earning platform. If you enjoy playing games and don't mind slow progress, you might find it mildly rewarding. However, if you're expecting fast or significant payouts, this app will likely disappoint you. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.